Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio on CapCut website. So all you need to do first of all, just go to your browser and type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. That, of course, if it's your first time, will not take you into this page unless you logged in into your account. For you, if it's your first time, you'll find another page. On the right side of that page, you'll find an option to download the CapCut application on your PC. Of course, you'll find a video on this channel on how to actually download it or install it on your PC correctly. If you want to go and check it out, you are free to do that. And of course, on the left side, you'll find an option on start using CapCut on a browser like I'm doing at the moment. And of course, if you choose that option, you'll need to log in into your accounts first of all, and if you don't have an account, you'll need to create an account. You can even create your account with a Google account, or if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you created your account, you can just go and log in into it, or just log in into it if you have already an account. Then of course you'll find this as your home or as your main screen, and from here you can choose some of your recent projects if you already worked on some, or you can just go and hit the black canvas to create a new one. Once you hit that, you'll need to wait a bit until it loads. Of course, if you have the CapCut downloaded on your PC, you'll not need to wait anything. It will be much smoother, much faster, and of course has more options than this browser. So of course, let me just go here in my case to upload a simple video to start working on it. Of course, let's just upload a simple one with 4 seconds. And of course, once it's actually uploaded here, all I need to do, just drag it here to this editing area. So once it's actually here now, of course, if I want to it's to change the aspects ratio now, all I need to do is just actually go here to this original option. So of course, from there, all I need to do, just click on it, and as you can see, I have here different or several options. I can change my aspect ratio to it. So of course here, just choose this as an example. As you can see, it's crop the picture or the screen of the video to this aspects of ratio. Of course you can do this, and you can do several other things. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.